Lesson 81, Leadership and Management.
What qualities make a good leader?
A good leader should have qualities like integrity.
Have you ever been in a leadership role?
Yes, I have been in a leadership role.
How do you handle difficult situations as a leader?
I handle difficult situations by assess the situation.
Lesson 82, Space and Astronomy.
Are you interested in space and astronomy?
Yes, I am interested in space and astronomy.
What is the most fascinating thing about space to you?
The most fascinating thing about space to me is black holes.
Do you follow any space missions or news?
Yes, I follow.
Lesson 83, Travel and Exploration.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What is the most interesting place you have visited?
The most interesting place I have visited is Paris.
Where would you like to explore next?
I would like to explore Switzerland next.
Lesson 84, Music and Concerts.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
What was the best concert you have ever attended?
The best concert I have ever attended was Personal Connection.
Who is your favorite live performer?
My favorite live performer is Michael Jackson.
Lesson 85, Writing and Literature.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
What do you like to write about?
I like to write about stories.
Have you ever published any of your work?
No, I have not published any of my work.
Lesson 86, Economy and Finance.
Are you interested in the economy and finance?
Yes, I am interested in the economy and finance.
What do you think about the current economic situation?
I think the current economic situation is interest rates.
How do you stay informed about financial news?
I stay informed about financial news by using social media.
Lesson 87, Sports and Fitness.
What is your favorite sport to play?
My favorite sport to play is football.
Do you prefer playing or watching sports?
I prefer playing sports.
What is the most memorable sports event you have watched?
The most memorable sports event I have watched is Europe League.
Lesson 88, Technology and Innovation.
What recent technological innovation do you find exciting?
I find generative AI exciting.
How do you keep up with new technology?
I keep up with new technology by used social media.
Do you think technology has improved our lives?
Yes, I think technology has improved our lives.
Lesson 89, Cooking and Baking.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking more?
I enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite dish to cook or bake?
My favorite dish to cook.
Do you follow recipes or create your own?
I create my own.
Lesson 90, Nature and Wildlife.
Do you like spending time in nature?
Yes, I like spending time in nature.
What is your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is exercise.
Have you ever seen any interesting wildlife?
Yes, I have seen whale watching.